Hey there, and welcome back to Investment IQ Insights. If you're passionate about building wealth through smart investing, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: ChatGPT's top 5 stocks for unstoppable growth over the next 10 years. These companies are leaders in innovation, positioned to thrive in rapidly growing industries, and offer serious potential for long-term investors. So, grab your notebook and get ready to uncover some game-changing opportunities. But before we jump in, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss our future videos packed with investment insights. And as always, remember this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now, let's get started. What makes these stocks unstoppable? Using ChatGPT, we analyzed thousands of companies, looking for a winning formula, and ChatGPT picked the 5 stocks based on the following criteria. 1. Dominance in fast-growing industries. 2. Proven track record of financial strength. And 3. Innovative products and services driving future growth. With these criteria in mind, let's explore the top 5 stocks that could be game changers for your portfolio over the next decade. Stock number 1, Tesla, ticker TSLA. It's not just about electric vehicles anymore. Tesla is reshaping energy, transportation, and AI with autonomous driving technology and sustainable energy solutions. Their rapidly growing revenues, strong gross margins, and ambitious expansion plans make them a powerhouse in clean energy innovation. Tesla's aggressive push into solar energy and battery storage systems adds to its diversified growth strategy. Its leadership in self-driving technology and expansion into emerging markets make it an exciting prospect for the next decade. Plus, let's not forget Elon Musk's ability to disrupt industries and create entirely new ones. Stock number 2, Nvidia, ticker NVDA. Nvidia is a true leader in the AI revolution. From powering data centers and autonomous vehicles to gaming and AI research, Nvidia is essential in driving the future of technology. With consistent revenue growth and dominant market share in GPUs, Nvidia is positioned for exponential growth. The company's role in AI is only expanding. Its advanced chips are the backbone of machine learning, data analytics, and even metaverse development. Nvidia's collaborations with other tech giants and its investments in emerging technologies ensure its leadership in innovation remains unchallenged. Stock number 3, Amazon, ticker AMZ. And Amazon continues to be a leader in e-commerce, but its real growth driver is AWS, Amazon Web Services. With the growing adoption of cloud computing, AI, and logistics innovation, Amazon remains a cornerstone for unstoppable growth. Beyond AWS, Amazon's ventures into robotics, grocery stores, and subscription services are building a diverse revenue stream. As global e-commerce penetration increases, Amazon's efficient supply chain and technology-driven approach will likely maintain its competitive edge. Stock number 4, Microsoft, ticker MSFT. Microsoft is the definition of diversification done right. From its dominance in software and cloud computing to its AI-powered tools like Copilot, Microsoft is an innovation machine. The company's commitment to growth and adaptability makes it a must-watch for investors. Azure, Microsoft's cloud computing platform, continues to take market share, competing head-to-head with AWS. In addition, its acquisitions like LinkedIn and gaming giant Activision Blizzard show its strategic focus on expanding its ecosystem. Microsoft's ability to innovate while maintaining a strong balance sheet makes it a resilient choice. Stock number 5, Shopify, ticker SHOP. Lastly, Shopify is empowering entrepreneurs and small businesses worldwide. Its e-commerce platform has become indispensable, and as online shopping continues to grow, Shopify is scaling with new tools and services. The company's innovation in enabling global commerce makes it a stock to watch for years to come. Shopify's focus on integrating AI tools for merchants and expanding its logistics network demonstrates its commitment to staying ahead in the e-commerce race. With millions of businesses relying on its platform, Shopify's growth story is far from over. Why these 5 stocks? Now, what makes these 5 stocks stand out is their ability to lead and adapt. Each of them dominates a high-growth sector, has a proven track record, and continues to innovate. Whether it's Tesla revolutionizing transportation, Nvidia driving AI, Amazon reshaping e-commerce, Microsoft leading software and cloud, or Shopify empowering businesses, these companies are positioned to thrive in the next decade. There you have it, ChatGPT's top 5 stocks for unstoppable growth over the next 10 years. Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, Microsoft, and Shopify are revolutionizing industries and shaping the future in ways that are impossible to ignore. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. And if you're ready to keep building your investment knowledge, we've handpicked 2 more videos for you to check out. Go ahead, click one of the videos now to continue your journey toward unstoppable growth. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.